Hello students, today I am taking lecture on the subject Advanced Accounting First. The subject for BCom third year, fifth semester students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, Maharashtra. I am taking in this subject topic number 2, Hotel Accounting. In that topic, I am taking fourth question of this topic. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce, People's College Nanded. Question number 4. This question has asked in the examination October-November 2019. The question is prepare final account of Preetham Hotel as on 31st December 2018. Trial balance, particular, debit, rupees, credit rupees. I am increasing column width for better understanding. First item of trial balance, share capital. Under the heading of share capital, 17,000 as per 5% preference share of rupees 10 each. Amount should be credited. Amount rupees 1,70,000. Next, 28,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Amount rupees 2,80,000. Purchases under the heading of purchases, amount sorry item liquor, amount rupees 1 lakh. Provision and stores, amount rupees 1,20,000. Sales, under the heading of sales, food, liquor, food amount rupees 1,60,000, liquor amount rupees 1,40,000. Next heading, income from, under the heading of income from, room 1,64,000. Next item, miscellaneous, receipts, amount rupees 20,600. Next heading, 4% mortgage loan, mortgage debenture, amount rupees 4 lakh. This item is on the basis of loan adjustment, 4% interest should be paid. The next item, premises, amount rupees 70,000 debit, sorry, because it is an asset, sorry, 7 lakh amount. Then next item, furniture, amount rupees 1,14,000. Next, investment, amount rupees 1,04,000. The next asset, goodwill, amount rupees 2,20,000. The next item, reserve, amount credit side 1,50,000. Next, last year profit, last year profit balance, amount rupees 30,000. Next, creditors, amount rupees 80,000. Next, bills payable, amount rupees 20,000. Debenture interest, amount rupees 15,000. Wages and salary, one lakh. Next, hotel expenses, amount rupees 18,000. General expenses amount rupees 59,000. Repairs amount rupees 4,350. Interium dividend for half year amount rupees 4,250. Next, stock on 1st January 2018 under the heading of opening stock. The next item, liquor amount rupees 40,000. Provision and stores amount rupees 10,400. The next item, cash. Cash is an asset, 2,600. Debtors. Next item, amount rupees 3,000. Total of trial balance 1,61,400. Sorry, 16,14,600. 16,14,600. Both sides will be same. Hence, I am checking once again, cross verify. Yes, both sides equal. Taking debit side also. I have this facility, that's why I am using this. Yes, okay. There is no problem in the trial balance. This is the question. Now I am taking solution. Sorry, this question some adjustment also. Adjustment. Adjustment number 1, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, liquor amount rupees 50,000. Provision amount rupees 30,000. Adjustment number 2, depreciation on furniture of rupees, sorry, depreciation on furniture at 5%. Adjustment number 3, outstanding wages rupees 30,000. Adjustment number 4, final dividend 10% on equity shares equity share capital declare. These are the 4 adjustments. I have read question carefully. Then which items affected by the adjustment? Tick mark on these items, because of when you solve the answer on that time it is very useful. Hence, depreciation on furniture affected. Hence, I am creating adjust tick mark by the bold item. Furniture is an adjustment. I am highlighting because of adjustment on this item. Then outstanding wages and salary, adjustment on this item. Then final dividend 10% on equity shares. You can directly add 10% on equity shares dividend. The adjustment effect, profit and loss appropriation account debit side and liability side. Equity shares amount is 28 lakh. 10% on interest on equity share capital means 28,000 should be record on profit and loss account appropriation account debit side and second effect balance sheet liability side. Any other adjustment? This is an also item of hidden adjustment. 4% mortgage debenture. It means 4% interest on debenture on rupees 4 lakh. The amount should be 4%, 16,000. Then anyone interest is given? Yes, given. Already interest given. Debenture interest paid. What is the amount? 15,000. 15,000 already paid. What is the difference? Actual interest amount and paid amount. That is 1,000. Because of I have calculated interest amount rupees 16,000. 16,000 minus 15,000. Difference is 1,000. That is the outstanding interest on debenture. Hence, this one is also highlighted. Then 15,000 plus 1,000, 16,000. 4% interest on 4 lakh, 16,000. Okay. These are the affected items. Now I am solving the question. Solution. In the books of Pritam Hotel, profit and loss account, for the year ended 31st December 2018. Debit particular rupees particular rupees credit side, increasing column width, as per requirement of question. In that answer, another account, profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss account, debit side, particular rupees, particular rupees. I am taking from here directly. Then here, balance sheet, as on 31st December 2018. Liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. Increasing column width for better understanding purpose. First item of the question, share capital. Share capital goes to the balance sheet liability side. under the heading of share capital. Preference share capital of rupees 1,70,000. Equity share capital of rupees 2,80,000. Then purchases. First item of the profit and loss account is to material used. To material used. Under the heading of material used, what is the formula of material used? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. This is the formula of material used. Purchases added. Purchases will be added in the item of opening stock. Hence, I will record first opening stock. Stock on 1st January 2018. Liquor and provision is the opening stock amount. What is the amount of liquor? 40,000. In your column, liquor 40,000. Then what is the amount of provision and stores? 10,400 in your column. Then add purchases, liquor and provision and stores. Liquor and provision and stores already amount given. Hence, I am adding once again 40,000 plus 1 lakh liquor. Provision rupees 1,20,000. Purchases recorded. Then sales records to the credit side of the profit and loss account. By sales, first item food and liquor. Food amount rupees 1,60,000. Liquor amount rupees 1,40,000. Then income should be recorded to the profit and loss account credit side by income from room 1,64,000 and miscellaneous receipts 20,600. Room 1,64,000, miscellaneous receipts 20,600. Then 4% debenture. The 4% debenture recorded will be recorded to the balance sheet liability side under the heading of secured loan. Amount which is 4 lakh. Yes. 4% interest on debenture is 16,000. Interest on debenture will be recorded under the heading of unsecured loan. The next item, 4% debenture, already recorded. Premises. Premises is an our asset. Premises is an fixed asset. Furniture is an also fixed asset. Hence both items I am taking combinedly. Investment also asset. Goodwill also asset. Hence I am taking all the items to the asset side under the heading of fixed asset. Furniture has adjustment because of already I have highlighted this item. Hence I am creating one line space for furniture. Now I am removing highlight. Premises amount rupees 7 lakh, outer column. Furniture amount rupees 1,14,000. Adjustment on furniture, hence amount inner column 1,14,000. Then investment 1,04,000, goodwill 2,20,000 will be recorded to the asset side under the same heading, fixed asset. The next item of trial balance, reserve. Amount rupees 1,50,000. Reserve goes to the balance sheet liability side. Reserve and surplus. Under the heading of reserve and surplus, reserve amount rupees 1,50,000. Then next, last year profit balance of rupees 30,000. Last year profit balance goes to the profit and loss appropriation account, credit side, because of trial balance. Credit side shows income and liability, and debit side shows always expenditure and asset. By last year profit of rupees 30,000. Creditors, creditors and bills payable, these are the item of balance sheet liability side under the heading of current asset, current liabilities. What is the amount of bill creditors and bills payable? 80,000 and 20,000 respectively. I am recording this. Yes. Current liabilities. Under the current liabilities, creditors 80,000, bills payable 20,000. Then next item, debenture interest. Debenture interest recorded will be recorded to the profit and loss account debit side to debenture interest inner column 15,000. Then add outstanding debenture interest 1,000. Total of this 16,000. Because of already I have taken item 4% debenture 4 lakh. 4% debenture on 4 lakh is 16,000. But in that question, a trial balance already 15,000 given. The remaining balance 1,000 I have added in the same heading debenture interest. The remaining outstanding will be recorded under unsecured loan. Interest on debenture rupees 1,000. Okay. The next item, wages and salary. Wages and salary, hotel expenses, general expenses, repairs, right, will be record profit and loss account debit side. But already I have darkened wages and salary. It means adjustment on wages and salary. Hence I am taking first wages and salary. To wages and salary. Wages and salary amount rupees 1 lakh. Inner column. Then the next item, hotel expenses. Hotel expenses, general expenses will be recorded to the debit side of profit and loss account. Hotel expenses, general expenses, and repairs also will be recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. To hotel expenses 18,000. To general expenses 59,000. The next two repairs 4,350. The next item, interim dividend for half year 2450. Interim dividend will be recorded to the profit and loss appropriation account, debit side, to interim dividend for the half year 4250. Then stock on 1st January 2018, liquor, provision and stores 40,000, 10,400. Already I have taken inner column under the heading of material used, liquor 40,000, provision and stores 10,400. The next item, cash and debtors. Cash and debtors are current assets. Hence, I am taking this under the heading of current asset in balance sheet asset side. Under the heading of current asset. Cash and debtors. Cash rupees 2,600, debtors rupees 3,000. Trial balance item over. I have taken all the items of trial balance. Yes, okay. Then adjustment number 1, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, liquor 50,000, provision rupees 30,000. First effect of this adjustment, closing stock recorded under the heading of current asset. Liquor rupees 50,000, provision rupees 30,000. Then second effect, profit and loss account debit side minus from opening stock plus purchases. Liquor rupees 50,000 minus 50,000. Outer column amount 4 lakh plus 1 lakh, sorry, 40,000 plus 1 lakh, 1 lakh 40,000 minus 50,000, balance is 90,000. Then next, provision. Also same effect, 30,000 less from previous opening stock of provision plus purchases of provision minus closing stock of provision. Opening stock 10,400 plus 1,20,000 means 1,30,400 minus 30,000. Then final amount 1,04,000. Outer column, yes. Then adjustment number second, Depreciation on furniture 5%, less from furniture 5%, less effect first, less 5% depreciation, 5% depreciation on 1,14,000, 5,700. Outer column 1,08,300. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side 5,700. 2. Depreciation on furniture 5,700. 5% depreciation on furniture 5,700. Yes. Then adjustment number third, outstanding wages rupees 30,000. Adding wages outstanding wages rupees 30,000. Outer column 1,30,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side under the heading of current liabilities, outstanding wages rupees 30,000. Then adjustment number 4, final dividend 10% on equity share capital declared. What is the amount of equity share capital? 28,000 equity share of rupees 10 is equity share capital amount 2,80,000. %, final dividend 28,000. Final dividend will be equal to the profit and loss appropriation account 10%, final dividend on equity share capital amount rupees 28,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side under the heading of provision. Final dividend amount rupees 28,000. Near about question has covered all items. Yes, covered. Then close first. Profit and loss account. Then create total first. Credit side. $4,84,600. Then debit side. $4,23,450. Then credit side is more than debit side, hence 4,84,600 minus 4,23,400. difference balance is 61,150. Then both sides are tallied. The difference is to net profit. Profit. Carry down. This profit transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account. By current year profit. Amount rupees 61,150. Then close profit and loss appropriation account. Create total first credit side 91,150. Then create total debit side 32,250. Credit side is more than debit side, hence less from credit side, debit side. The difference balance is 58,902. This is the net profit. 2 net profit. Carry down. Net profit transfer to balance sheet liability side. Add under the heading of reserve and surplus. Net profit. $58,900. Then create total credit side, asset side. $12,17,900. Then create total of liability side. $12,17,900. Same total. This means our solution is correct. Now you can overlook once again. This is the question. Card balance given, particular debit side, credit side rupees. For adjustment, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and this is the balance sheet. Okay, thank you.